I can tell you the exact number of ceiling tiles that are in a courtroom, at least for a few days after the trial is over. You want to know why I tell you about this? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. During the course of trial, one of my ideals is to look bored and disinterested when the defense attorney is questioning witnesses. I don't want to give the jury the impression that I'm paying very close, rapt attention to every single question and every single answer that's coming out of the attorney's mouth or the witness's mouth. Why is that? If they see me paying rapt attention, they're going to think that the questions and the answers are extremely important. Now, whether they are or aren't, I don't want to give that appearance or that perception to the jury. So what do? I'm looking around the courtroom. I'm bored out of my mind. I'm looking at the ceiling tiles and I'm actually counting one by one by one. And by the end of the trial, I will know exactly how many ceiling tiles are in the entire courtroom. And I'll do the same thing with the floor tiles. If you have an opportunity to go into court and sit in and watch a trial involving an accident matter, or a medical malpractice matter, or even a wrongful death matter, watch the plaintiff's attorney when the defense lawyer is questioning witnesses. Watch what he does. Is he bored? Is he disinterested? Is he picking lint off his suit? Is he staring at the ceiling or at the floor? Pay attention, because now you'll understand why the attorney is doing that. And during this entire observation, he'll be listening very, very closely, so that if the attorney asks a question that's improper, he's immediately going to jump up, say, "Objection, Judge!" And now he can go ahead and make that objection, preserve it, so that if he loses, he can always appeal that issue. So watch the plaintiff's attorney, the attorney who represents the injured victim, and see what they're doing when the other side is questioning witnesses. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during a trial here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.